Hi, I'm Sean with Anthem Marine Solutions, and today we're going to be talking about the JL Audio XDM1000. You open up your amplifier box, and you will have your amplifier. You will have your manual, warranty information, JL Audio badge, and the Allen key for removing the cover and also installing all of the wiring. We remove our amplifier from the plastic wrap here. You have a nice black powder coated finished amplifier. 4 mounting screws. And then you have your inputs and outputs. You have your power, ground, and remote. You have your audio inputs. You have channel 1 and 2, 3 and 4, as well as your subwoofer inputs here. You have a remote level input here. And then you have your speaker outputs. You have channel 1, 2, 3, 4, and then your subwoofer as well. Let's remove this cover and show you what is underneath of the cover. When you remove your cover, you'll notice it is a nice gasketed cover on the underside of it. And then under that cover, you have your audio controls. You have your turn on mode for remote, offset, and signal. You have your input filter for car, boat. This is what separates the old M series and the old XD series and kind of combine this amplifier to be the XDM series. Is you get to install this in either a car or boat. So if it's in the marine application, you'll switch this to boat. You have your remote level input control, so it does just the sub channel or all channels with that line level control. You have your input mode, so 2, 4, and 6 channel inputs, and then you have your channel 1 and 2, 3 and 4 audio controls for gain, filters, filter level, and then you have your subwoofer side of the controls. Again, this is a 1005, so this is a 5-channel amplifier. This is a great amp for a all-in-one setup, running 1 or 2 subwoofers off of the sub-channel and then running 4 speakers off of the speaker satellite channels. You can find the link to this product to our website in the description below. And that was the JL Audio XDM1005. Thanks for watching.